Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I am Javon Keys. The Bank of Jamaica is projecting lower economic growth for the July to September quarter. The BOJ Governor Richard Biles says this would be continuing a trend of lower demand made worse by Hurricane Beryl.
Domestic demand conditions are moderating, as reflected in selected sectors of the economy and in easing wage pressures. Real GDP for the March 2024 quarter grew by 1.4%, which was lower than the growth for the December 2023 quarter. And there are signs that economic growth slowed further in the June 2024 quarter. When the underlying direction of economic activity and the impact of hurricane in July are taken into account, GDP for the September 2024 quarter is projected to contract when compared with the September 2023 quarter.
He says this weakened the flow of domestic loans to the private sector in the June 2024 quarter compared to the previous periods.
The net flow of loans is, of course, the difference between total disbursements and repayments. A reduction in loan disbursements to the business sector was a principal factor behind the fall in net flows and was consistent with a continued tightening of credit terms offered by the banking sector.
To some company news now, Kingston Properties. KP REIT says it has acquired 2 buildings located in the downtown business district. The real estate company now has number 6 as well as 8 to 10 Duke Street in its portfolio. KP REIT says the acquisition was done on a sale and leaseback arrangement with Victoria Mutual Building Society and its affiliate VM Real Estate Holdings. Kingston Properties says the roughly 60,000 square foot buildings are fully leased. To the markets now, the Jamaican dollar improved in value compared to the U.S. currency after it ended trading today. It's closed the session selling at $158.48 to $1 coming down from $158.50. As for the other benchmarks, the Canadian is being sold for $116.78 to $108.61 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $179.24. And the JSE index advanced by 2,491 points, while the junior market index improved by 5 points. Among the 38 winners were Salada Foods Jamaica, Edufocal, Access Financial Services, JMMB Group 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. The 55 losers included First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica variable preference shares, MFS Capital Partners, Express Catering, and Margaritaville Turks. 14 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the Financial Week. I am Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Our top regional and international stories, they're right after the break.